Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm going to show you how to delete all channels or messages at once in Telegram. First of all, we need to have a group already created here in Telegram before making this the next step. Okay, and the next step is to add a bot, a Telegram bot that is here, the la bot to delete all messages in Telegram. We need to have this bot added in our contacts in this case. Okay, after you add this bot in your contacts, okay, you will have to go here in the group you want to delete the messaging. Okay, click on the group and click on the pencil here, right here, and now we have to click on administrators, add administrator, and make the bot as an administrator like you. Okay, add the bot. Okay, and as you can see, delete messages. We need to have this option to put on to turn on this option to proceed deleting the messages. Okay, and after that, okay, go back to the chat, and then you have to write /dela, and in a few minutes the bot will remove everything in the chat. And that's it, guys. That's it, the whole video. If you like this video, please leave me your like and subscribe, and also see you next video. Bye bye.